Namaste, namaste, Madhu Pandit. How are you? Everything is okay? Do you remember myself? My name was Arjuna Nath, and I was your god brother. And I'm speaking from Italy, sorry, because my English is not so nice. But I hope that you pay attention to what I want to tell you in Italian, that you are intelligent enough to translate my speak. Okay? See, you remember, no, many years ago when I was Sankirtan leader in South India, and I was driving the van of Sankirtan. Sometimes you, your wife, I was driving you, both of you, around South India, even Tamil Nadu, from where your wife come from. Okay, you remember, no? You remember when we was going to Sankirtan in South India, that I was recognized by you like the best Sankirtan man? I was selling so many books, no? So, I want to tell you a few things. Because you created such kind of bad publicity, you and your follower, no? Even ISKCON, by exposing to the public all this story, that Srila Prabhupada will be not happy at all. Because one way or other, ISKCON Guru, I'm out of ISKCON, I don't care, no? I serve ISKCON for more than 20 years, you know very well. But in one way or other, Srila Prabhupada don't create ISKCON Bangalore. He's creating ISKCON internationally. Clear, no? It's not that ISKCON Bangalore win the case against ISKCON Bombay. But maybe you win the case materially, but not spiritually. Because Prabhupada will be not happy of this kind of dirty video, accusing each other, putting down people, doing aparada, all this kind of dirty game for me. Okay, because you became very big man now. You know, some years before I came to Bangalore, I would like to speak with you. They even not allow me to come close to you. You, of course, you are a big man, I'm a simple person, but do you remember when I was sending you out to me, the Kannada books, they call it that, in Karnataka, the first 2-3 books, small book, I remember, and I was around, going, sending the book to help you. You know, you remember this or not? I can tell you a few things more about. One time was the Vyasa Puja of Jayapataka Swami, your guru, my guru. I left this one. And I remember very clearly that you came up in the stage full of ego, fake love for your guru. And you declare, I give donation to my guru in his honor, a car. That car was a second-hand car, full of problems in the engine, that I spent my money for repairing everything. Do you remember this case? Okay? Do you remember when I was coming with Jaypataka Swami in the beginning of your preaching? You're a good preacher, no doubt. No? In Bangalore, you was crying, you was very down, morally, spiritually, and Jaypataka Swami was inspiring you to go on with your project. You cannot deny this one, because I was present. Okay? Do you remember when you're starting the Agarbatti business, how much effort Jayapataka Swami made, because I was traveling with him, I know very well, to propagating in every center, or ISKCON center, to buy the Agarbatti for you. Okay? I can tell you many other things, but I think that you're supposed to glorify that person, that guru who put you in that position that now you're enjoying. Okay? Without him, you are nothing in that time. Simple devotee Grihastha. He put you, he inspired you to go to that point, no Srila Prabhupada. That came after. Okay? In which way came after? In which way came after? You put in a picture of Srila Prabhupada and took diksha from him. Oh, you are so great, huh? You want to imitating Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur. Okay, but Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur took sannyasi. So why you don't take also sannyasi? Because you enjoy your position, your grihastha life, etc. Why you don't give up everything and you move around like a sannyasi? You are very attached to your position. But now I'm coming to the point of Ritvik. Can you prove me in public, in front of the television if you like, I'm ready. If Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur was, with the document you have to prove, selected by his guru as a successor, as acharya? No. Did his guru instructed him and give the blessing to take sannyasi? No. He took sannyasi alone, like you did. So look like Bhaktisiddhanta is not really acharya, is a ritvik in according to your theory, not my theory. I'm a simple person. In that case, if Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, the guru Swami Prabhupada, was not blessed by his guru, all the guru of the Gaudiya Math, including ISKCON and Prabhupada, they're only ritvik. Because Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, I have the proof, no? He told very clearly that he see all his students in the same level. And he don't love anyone more than the other. Okay? This is a very clear point. Then Srila Prabhupada, great soul. See, I call my son Abhay Charan for glorifying Srila Prabhupada. There's no doubt about the purity. We just speak about philosophy because you are the man who created this problem. You understand? So in according to your theory, all the Gaudiya Math is fake. You think 3 times what you are telling to the people. Very proud television, I'm a king, you know. So Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Thakur, he never got the blessing from his guru. He became auto-manifested guru. Then I know what we do. Why no also the ISKCON guru can do the same thing? And like one of your students, are very proud of intelligent person discussing this famous story that the grand great acharya going doing okay, not clear that Srila Prabhupada is very great acharya, no doubt. There's not. I am not here to criticize Srila Prabhupada. I am here to criticize your philosophy. There's different things. You understand? So, I want to tell you one story about Prabhupada and Jayapataka Swami. I'm telling you again, I left everyone. I'm from myself, you understand? But what is true is true. Jayapataka Swami was very young when Srila Prabhupada gave sannyasi. He was very young. He don't ask sannyasi to Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada recognized in his student a great personality. You cannot deny, you know? Srila Prabhupada told, I was traveling Jayapataka many times. I was not only secretary, I was something else that you know very well. I know many documents came in my hand. For that I left ISKCON also. I know many things about ISKCON, but it's a separate thing. But Srila Prabhupada gave me instruction to him. He had to do at least 10 hours for student. Of course, Jayapataka Swami never neglected that he was working for Srila Prabhupada. There's no doubt about that. But for me and from many others, I can give my interpretation. I have the right or not. For me, Prabhupada make him as a guru. Empower him. Empower him to make at least 10,000. He make much more, but his problem is not my problem. Okay? I was very close to Jayapataka. I left him also, but he was very close. I was very close. More than you, madhupandit. I traveled half world with him. But myself, I left. I never spoke one word against Jayapataka Swami. Because I know very well him. I know his heart more than you. Because you utilize him to reach President of Bangalore. And you kick out, told you all the foreign people, no? Beyond that. Because he's starting the preaching in Bangalore was not you, man. Some foreign devotee came to Bangalore and started the preaching there. You are not in that time. You were not even devotee, I think so. Okay? I expect you to glorify some Prabhupada disciple who's really great, not only Jaypataka Swami, many are there. You cannot do against all of them. Who are you? Who are you? Okay? I think like you brainwash so many people there in Bangalore. You are a good businessman. You are a very intelligent person, no doubt. You are very capable, but you have a big ego. Because by Ritvik or not, you are the boss there. You control everything with your family. Why you don't do the GBC beyond your family? You open temple in Vrindavan. You know, I went to Vrindavan to see what you are creating. All materialistic. All materialistic. You know, your ego. I want to prove I'm more than ISKCON. To have one flat there where you are constructing, you need minimum 1 crore. 1 crore. Vrindavan was the land of sadhu. You destroying. You are one of them who destroy Vrindavan. You are attracting only rich people to come and there and enjoy their life. And you are one of them. Big land, big house, everything like that, okay? Control yourself. Okay? Control yourself. You win the case materially, but not spiritually. You have also one day you have to die like me. We have to face Krishna in that time. Madhu Sevita, madhupandit, you try to glorify the devotee. In one way or other, bad or good they are representing Srila Prabhupada all around the world. They print so many books, they are making so many devotees all around the world. Okay? Why you are so much against them? You are telling, I'm ready to give everything to ISKCON, but they have to follow my instruction. Who are you? Who are you? To do like that. To demand such kind of thing. Okay? But very simple. In according to the Indian philosophy, I'm not a philosopher, I'm only a servant. You should understand very clearly, in according to the Veda, when the Guru died, if he not select anyone, any one of them, student, they can become Guru. I challenge you. Then, depend of their purity and ego, if they're telling they're Uttamadhikari or Kanistadhikari or Madhyamadhikari, this is a separate thing. Okay? Another point I want to tell you in the Veda. If people like one spiritual person, he can become Guru. What is the problem? What is your problem? If somebody like a man, a sannyasi, what you like, he can become Guru. Another thing, who's invented the Diksha and who invented that? Bhaktisiddhanta, no? In according to the Veda, in according to Parampara, very clearly, Madhu Pandit, we are Shiksha, non Diksha. I challenge you. And not only that, or Parampara from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the Goswami of Vrindavan, the old Babaji. Bhaktisiddhanta invented the story of the sannyasi. Bhaktisiddhanta invented Diksha with the fire of the... I'm not against Bhaktisiddhanta, Bhaktisiddhanta. But you provocating this fire inside the people. And you have to take the medicine. Okay? You have to give me answer to my question. You have to help me if I am in Maya. I think you are in Maya. I'm not in Maya. You are in Maya. There are 4 Italians, 4 American students very proud. Oh, Madhu Pandit is a great, what great? Okay? Madhu Pandit, I'm challenging you in very sattvic mood. Please, answer to me.
The perfect knowledge can be received through this parampara system. From Krishna, Krishna to Brahma, Brahma to Narad, Narad to Vyas, Vyas to Madhacharya. In this way, from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 6 Goswamis, then our Guru Maharaj, in this way. And our business is just to present whatever we have heard.